Welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by the wonderful Dove Hair, and I'm going to be showing you a bunch of different bob hairstyles that you can try out from my own repertoire of hairstyling. Yeah. The first step to achieving any of these hairstyles is you gotta wash your hair. I know, it's shocking, it's crazy. And I know it is a bad time for hair with the winter and the cold weather, but I have a little special secret to tell you how to keep your hair healthy and hydrated during the winter. I don't know if I'm ready for you guys to see my shower yet and like know that it's actually really dirty and I don't clean it. Ah, that's cold.
So, you know that little secret I was talking about? Well, it's Dove's Hair Therapy Hydration Spa Shampoo and Conditioner. There are 3 different ranges in the collection, and they are all inspired by the ingredients found in skincare. They are sulfate-free and cruelty-free, you already know. This range is different from the others because it contains hyaluronic serum. Yes, like the skincare product, people. I'm actually gonna shampoo twice because your girl's hair was kinda greasy, not gonna lie. So for 24 hours after washing your hair with these babies, it creates a protective barrier around the hair fiber, locking hydration and keeping dryness out. I'm just putting conditioner on the ends of my hair because the ends are what needs it most. I'm gonna wait 1 minute before rinsing as per the instructions on the bottle. Hydration Spa gives you 100% smoother hair after just one wash, and it requires little effort, so that's why I love it so much.
I can't snap with my right hand, that was awkward. Look number 1 is the perfectly air-dried bob. How do you achieve this look, you ask? Forget about the video you're making. Go put your groceries away, put on some makeup, make a veggie dog, and then let your hair air dry because Dove's Hair Therapy Shampoo and Conditioner kind of does all the work for you. Did I say this was a veggie dog? It's a veggie dog, guys. Don't worry, I'm vegan. Do you know what else don't harm the animals? Dove. We love that. So yeah, this is your first look. I actually didn't mean to do this look, but this is like the most common look that I do because, let's be honest, I'm lazy and don't really style my hair often. So for the next look, you're gonna have to wet your hair again. Sorry if you already air dried your hair. Whoops. Now that your hair is wet, I'm gonna show you how I style my curtain bangs. The reason why your hair needs to be wet is because you need to dry your bangs before they air dry because then they can air dry really wonky. So you need to get your round brush and a hair dryer.
So I like to pin the rest of my hair back just so it doesn't interfere, and then I'll just brush my bangs forward. I'll set the hairdryer to the hottest setting but least amount of blowing, if that makes sense. And then I'll blow dry my bangs forward at first and then all different ways, and then I'll split them in half and blow dry them to the sides. Just like so. Cute, I love it, I dig it. And then I'm just gonna blow dry the rest of my hair like normal, just making sure I don't touch my bangs.
Yay, good job. And then once your hair is dry, get your good old straightener and LOL, I only have a mini one, but it's perfect for my bangs. And by the way, if you want to know how to achieve this curtain bang look, I do have a video on my channel. It's not really a tutorial, but it's me just cutting my own curtain bangs. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it below.
Here I'm just pinning the rest of my hair back so I can focus on my bangs.
That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take each piece, you're gonna make sure that when you clamp on, you're gonna pull straight at first so that you get some body in the top of your bang. So you're gonna pull straight and then you're gonna curl under. You'll get the hang of it. Just try it a lot. Honestly, you don't even need to go over it very many times if you've achieved the shape that you want. And here we have achieved the perfect bisexual bob plus a curtain bang action. The next hairstyle we're gonna do is super simple, people. We're gonna do that half up, half down with the curtain bang action. I love scrunchies. I'm gonna use this pink one because it matches my fit. You can't really see my fit, but it's a good fit. Oh, there we go. Ow, my back. Guys, this one's the easiest one. Careful you don't grab your bangs in the process because sometimes they can get lost up there. So since I'm rocking this 80s fit, I figured this scrunchie was kind of perfect. And there we have it. There's your third look. Third look? Now I'm gonna show you more of a 70s look or a 60s look, or maybe I have my decades wrong. Plug in your straightener again. Honestly, my hair's already kind of laying that way. But for this look, you're gonna wanna straighten the ends of your hair under, which will like give you more of like a lift, like a. So while your straightener's heating up, you're gonna wanna section your hair, because if you're like me and you have a lot of hair, the rest of your hair is gonna get lost and the look might not be, perfected.
And this is the completed look. Thank you so much.
Oh, and use a heat protectant, but again, I don't have one right now. Grab a little section. You're gonna straighten it down, and at the ends, you're gonna flip up. Like so. You see that? And that's basically all you're gonna do for the whole time. If you guys have ever seen my video, How I Knew I Was Bisexual, this is the exact hairstyle I did in that video. And then once you're done, you can go over your bangs a little bit more. Under, like so. Made a coffee. I'm tired. And I have cramps. This is my favorite hairstyle. I'm shook at myself right now. On to the last hairstyle, let's go. Two things you're gonna need. One fancy clip and another fancy clip, or multiple bobby pins. As I was saying, this one's really simple too. I have some cute little pearly barrettes and some sparkly, pearly bobby pins. So for this, you can either keep your hair like this, which I am doing because I actually really like this, so I'm not gonna change it. Or you can straighten your hair like fully so that the bottoms are straight as well. You're just gonna have a little bit of fun with this. Just gonna play around. I love the multiple bobby pin look. I think it's adorable. Oh my god, how freaking cute is that? And there you go. It, like, ignore what I'm wearing. Like, it does not go with what I'm wearing. But if you had like a little tennis skirt and like a spaghetti strap crop top, I think that would look adorable. Imagine I'm wearing a crop top right now. My pants are undone. How cute. Those are all the hairstyles I know how to do that I kind of alternate between depending on how I feel. Thank you again, Dove, so much, my lovey-doveys over there. Wow, that was such a dad joke. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Give your hair a little treat, and I totally recommend checking out Dove's Hydration Spa Shampoo and Conditioner. All the information is below in my description, and I will see you in my next video. That was really... yeah. Okay, bye. I love you guys.